him do it.
I can't do this.
Sean getting ready for fatherhood. Oh, Millie, look what you've done. Disgusting.
Who's the worst? The dog's mine.
Oh, God.
Don't eat no more food, Lily.
Oh, that is so gross.
Oh, honey.
You're doing good.
You gotta finish this.
You're doing good.
I know, I got it all. But you gotta clean the carpet.
No, I see all that wetness. That's like sopping.
Come on.
You're using that thing with holes in it. Gave up.